One of the most frequent questions we have received from people who reached this part of the course is related to an Excel bug, which makes it a bit difficult to make GetPivotData functions dynamic. The idea is that we substitute GetPivotData's hard references with cell references from our table in order to make the GetPivotData function dynamic. However, the problem many people encountered was that when they substitute a year with a cell containing that year, Excel displayed a ref error. The reason for this is that Excel doesn't recognize the formatting of the cell that has been provided as a reference for the GetPivotData function. Let's go ahead and copy the year from the pivot table. I'll paste it right into our table. And voila! GetPivotData functioned. Now we can easily adjust the cell's formatting to what it was earlier, while the function continues to work. This is the fix for this problem, and it works like a charm. Hopefully this is helpful and saves you some time. Thanks for watching.